Today I want to show you a tool that completely changes the way people build apps with AI. And it's not an exaggeration. You'll see a real app working from end to end, created only with natural language. And it already has the front end, back end, database, everything ready. And the most impressive thing is that the whole workflow supports real-time collaboration, advanced permissions, and direct integration with the cloud, ChatGPT, and any MCP agent. The name of this tool is Crial AI. It's the first AI native app builder created for teams. Shall we see how it works? So, let's get to the video. Crial is a vibe coding and AI agent platform created to allow anyone, even those who don't know how to code, to build complete apps using only natural language descriptions. But the difference here isn't just making pretty prototypes. It builds the front end, back end, data layer, everything automatically, and it's compatible with the MCP. The same standard used by ChatGPT, Cloud, and the entire agent ecosystem. It also allows real-time multiplayer, which is ideal for teams. And it has granular permission control with viewer, user, and detailed rules for reading and editing. Besides importing designs from Figma directly into functional apps, which is insane for pro designers. Well guys, after clicking the link that's going to be down here in the description of this video, you'll sign up on the platform and then you can start using this tool, which is really amazing. So, before I show you how to create a website or app from scratch, I'm going to show you what I've already managed to do here on the platform. Check out this first example here. Listen to the prompt. Create a complete app for tracking runs. The user must record each run with distance, total time, average pace, location, city, and neighborhood, and a subjective note about how they felt. Include a co-pilot, and this is very important because my app will have artificial intelligence capable of analyzing patterns, identifying the most consistent days of the week, tracking pace evolution, and suggesting improvements in training. Once that was done, Crial put together an execution plan for me, and I approved it. And from there, the artificial intelligence agents started working on their own, making the necessary integrations, coding, fixing, testing, and in the end it delivered this result to me. Let's see if it's working. Here I have add run, history, there's nothing here yet. Ride, statistics, the AI copilot, and the trainers. So, let's go. I'll add a run. The date here, I'll set it to December 8th. The distance, I'll put that I ran 10 kilometers. The duration, it took me 60 minutes. It already gives me the average pace here, the location. I'll put Ibirapuera Park, the notes, how did you feel? Tired? Done. After filling in the data, I'll add the run. Now I have my history here. Total runs, distance, real time, average distance, and here the most recent run. Let's check the statistics. Alright, it's loading the statistics here. Since I don't have many runs, I only have the chart here to view. Let's check out the AI Copilot here. Look, AI Training Copilot, ask about your training. Do you think I can improve my time? Alright, look, for sure, you can improve your time. In fact, just by recording your training and reflecting on your performance, you're already showing commitment and focus. Let's analyze your training. Here it has everything related to my training. Date, distance, pace, how you felt, and so on. So, I created a complete app with a database, artificial intelligence, and all the necessary integrations in less than 5 minutes. And look, besides all that, I have the coaches here, so if I want, I can invite a coach to join my app. And another thing, I'm using dark mode here, but light mode is also available. Really impressive. If I want, I can share it by clicking here on share, then I can invite by email, or I can create a link and send it to whoever I want, deploying it automatically. So everything is gathered in a single tool. Let's go to another example. Look, I asked it to create a professional dashboard for sales flow analysis. I want to import CSV files containing dates, visits, leads, orders, and total value. So here's my complete prompt. Once again, it analyzed my prompt, set up an action plan, I approved it, and it started carrying it out, setting up integrations, everything properly, just like last time. Once that was done, it delivered this dashboard to me. So let's see if it's working. I'm going to import my CSV file, done, file imported, and all the data is automatically listed here. This is impressive because it did this in real time. And I can also, look, filter by period. I have my calendar here, sales team, finance team, and visitor. I can see how I'm going to do the authentication in my app. Here on this button, he set up an artificial intelligence agent for me so I can chat. So, clicking here, look what I asked here. How is my sales performance based on my funnel? And I'll send it. Look, it's analyzing my sales funnel here, analyzing the data, interpreting codes. I'll even maximize it here so we can see it in full screen. Notice that the artificial intelligence is doing a very detailed analysis of my file, and look at that, just look at the size of it. I uploaded a CSV file here as if it were the sales funnel. It was able to read my file, set up my dashboard, and made all the updates. Then I used Copilot, which was already integrated into my app just like I asked in my prompt. All the integrations were done, API usage, everything is working fine. Then I asked it to analyze my sales flow here inside my funnel and look at the result. Sales funnel performance summary, overview from January 21st to January 28th, 2025. And then it gave me a detailed analysis here, including all the values and items that I can improve. So, this is impressive, because since I started testing this kind of tool here on the channel, I hadn't found anything so complete, where I could make such realistic integrations. And everything works perfectly, including implementations using artificial intelligence. Take a look at this other example here. I asked it to build a fully functional mini craft store in Brazilian Portuguese. And it gave me this result here, which is really cool. I'm going to open it one more time here in full screen so we can take a look. I didn't ask it to add the images, so I need to do that manually. And that's what I want to show you. So, here I have the login screen. I can log in as a seller or administrator. I'll choose administrator. I'm already on the platform. Alright, I'm already here adding products to my site. New product again. I have space here to upload the image. I chose my handicraft image here. Image added, name, vases. Category, I'll put basketry. Here in the description I can generate it with AI. So, that's amazing. Why? Because based on this image here, it will create the description of my product. Let's do it. Generate with AI. Look, it already generated my description here. Now I'll put the price here, and I'll save it. Now I'll go back here to the main page. And my product has already been added here. If I want to view it, just click here. I already have my description here, which was made by artificial intelligence. The photo of my product is here, the quantity, and I can add it to the cart. Done, it's already in the cart. Checkout. And now I can enter my information here, confirm my order, and make the payment. And another very important thing, besides being able to see your finished app here inside Crial, if you click here on Dashboard, you have access to all the integrations, all the settings, the files, including the code that was used to create your app. So, with that, you can download this code, take it to another app if you want, make integrations, implement it on your website. Anyway, do whatever you want. Everything is available right here inside the platform, including previous versions. When you click here on versions, look, I have here version number 1, number 2, and number 3. Everything is specified here. So, if you do something and you don't like it, you can restore the previous version. Now, let me show you how to create a website from scratch. First thing, paste my prompt. Create a complete portfolio website for a professional photographer in Brazilian Portuguese. I put my entire prompt here. Here you can select the standard mode, which uses CloudSonic 4.5, or the premium mode that will use Cloud Opus 4.5. Obviously, the premium mode consumes more credits. I'll leave it here on premium. And I'm going to ask it to generate. Done. It already shows me here which integrations will be made. You can choose if you want all of them or not. And then it already gives me the brief for my site. If I agree and think everything is fine, I just approve it. Once again, the agents have already started working. And if it notices any missing integration, it will ask for authorization itself and will add that integration to my site. Done. It has already finished creating my portfolio. I'll put it here in full screen so we can see it. So, home, gallery, contact. And administrator. I'll click here to start a new session. I'll choose the name here. Portraits. I'll leave the date as it is. And I'll ask it to display as a highlight on the homepage. My new session has been created here. Now I'm going to upload my image here. I'll select the file and pick any photo I have here. Done. My first photo has been uploaded. I'll start a new session. Now I want Christmas photos. I'll put outdoor shoots, a description. I'll add one more photo, just for us to test. Photo attached. Let's go back to the beginning now. I'll click here on home. And done. my images have already been added when I click here in the gallery. Notice that I have here end of the year and Christmas, and then I can keep adding photos as I need. So, I managed to create a functional website with a database where I can log in. And since I'm a professional photographer, I can upload my images here and sell my services. So everything is available here. And I didn't have to type a single line of code. Everything was done using artificial intelligence. Cool, right? So if you like the apps I showed, just know that this is only the beginning. You can create a lot more. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description and in the first pinned comment, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. So, let's go.